create. So I have a couple bottom round steak. They weigh less than 3/4 of a pound combined. Very thin. So what you're going to do with something this thin, because you cannot make them pretty like the typical steak that is a 1/4 inch or 1 inch thick. So what I'm going to show you how you navigate through this. There are different ways, but I'm going to show you one way. So what I like to do, I like to rub some oil. Doesn't matter what type of oil, okay? Just rub it up, both sides. You don't even have to marinate this. Just make sure it's at room temperature, okay? So you rub both sides. So I have all-purpose flour here. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to get a little bit of baking powder. Not a lot, like a teaspoon maybe. Mix it up. Going to get some coarse ground black pepper. Just a sprinkle or two. Some salt, fine salt, like kosher salt, kosher. Let's go with the turmeric. Sprinkle up. A little bit of smoked paprika, just a tiny bit. And optionally, if you want to put some kick, you don't have to add this. This is cayenne pepper. You can put a tiny bit, just a tiny bit, by the way, just a tiny bit. Just sprinkle it, just a tiny bit. Just a sprinkle. Then what you do is, you're going to get these babies. And you're going to get them powder up, okay? Powder it up. Add this powder and stuff. Do the same with the other one. I have some oil, not a lot, but enough, you know. Preheating. I'm using my cast iron because I like how the heat distribute. And when it's hot, you're going to add this baby, okay? See, it's not covering the whole thing, so you're going to have to flip it, okay? I didn't use the vinegar marinade method in this one. I have another that uses vinegar and other things like that. For this one, I didn't. I'm going straight forward. About 90 seconds later, going to flip it. See how beautiful? And I'm going to cook it for about 90 seconds, okay? Maybe a minute. So about 90 seconds later, the other side. Going to remove it, paper towel, put it aside, and repeat the process.